Moving, just keep moving till I don't know what to say.
Hi and welcome to Wanna Go Biking. As you can see, we are on our way trying to prepare our bikes for our trip from Calais to England to Folkestone, as we are going to hopefully join a queue over there in an hour's time and use the Eurotunnel to get over to Folkestone. I'll tell you more about the way you can or maybe you cannot take your bike in a tunnel, so well, that's for later. So Peter-Jan's there preparing his bike and I'm going to have to do the same to mine, so yeah, it's going to be a bit of work, but well, it should be alright. Alright, hope to see you on the other side. So, looks like we made it to Folkestone after all, and yeah, the train ride was quite smooth. We just had to wait a little bit. Now we're heading downtown Folkestone to get lunch. Well, the good thing is, of course, it's 1 hour earlier here, so plenty of time for lunch. And then 70k, 75k ride, I think, along the coast towards Hastings, our destination for today. English coastline, uncharacteristically sunny.
Happiness, more or less, it's just a change in me, something in my liberty. Oh my mind.
Well, as you can see, we are in England on our next bike packing adventure. We, of course, that is Peter-Jan up here.
Hey, we're back again.
Yep, we got the band back together. So yeah, the plan is for the next couple of days to cycle from Folkestone, where we just sort of landed, came by train, by Eurotunnel train. Today's destination is going to be Hastings, tomorrow Brighton, and then so on and so on. And hopefully we'll be able to reach Wales. The only maybe caveat is that I have sustained a few injuries last week, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. But for now, everything's fine. The weather's superb, and yeah, spirit is somewhat high, so let's see if we can make it work. All right, see you later.
Watch my people go and know just where I am. But how many corners do I have to turn? How many times do I have to learn? All the love I have is in my mind. But I'm a lucky man with fire in my hands.
What a funny sight that is. Church in the middle of nowhere, literally. I think we're just halfway now on our way towards Hastings, and yeah, it's been lovely riding on these country roads.
How many corners do I have to turn? How many times do I have to learn? All the love I have is in my mind. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. Oh. me something in my liberty. It's just a changing me something in my liberty. It's just a changing me something in my liberty.
Right, it's 11k to the finish, and we have got one major climb to do. Well, it's also the onlyest climb of today, so can't really complain. Yeah, it's been an absolute blissful day. I'm still enduring quite a bit of pain on my right wrist, so that's not a good thing, but I think I will survive the next 11k. So that's goodbye from us, and hope to see you in the next video. So enjoy the rides and stay safe out there. See ya, bye. Alright, one last push and it's down to Hastings. Yay.
That was a climb.
That was a tough climb, eh?
Yeah.
13%.
Climb for a year.
It was a short one, 3k, but mostly 13%, so yeah.